through with this video, share it. Enough is enough. My sister is telling me, bros, I'm okay. Don't worry. If person want make come for life, temptation is bound to come. Don't say anything. I will say something. Because many of those people will come out conspired about her on video. Many of them in this country with me are there here. So I know them, Richards. I know many things about them. People don't even bring proof. They don't bring proof for me. I go they mention names of people. They feel saying that they be angel. They feel saying that they not get bad side. Now I don't come outside. If not because of these people, me want to enter Saga for Facebook. I go enter. We go digger. Now me be miracle Obasui. I don't pay my dues. I am too real to be fake in my life. I am too real to be fake. I know they use fake accounts. There was a time my sister even called me, say, bros, if you are commenting on people's account, stop using your real account because of my personality, because of who I am in the society. I said, sister, I know Sabi use fake account. If I'm dealing with you, I deal with you. If na Europe, I go crush you. I go use car jam you in an accident. If the Nigerian, and then would they talk with the happen, now there, right now, I no way. Even when I never come abroad, my ruggedity, I just tell they do things, I go deliver. I much more say, I don't make small money. I don't know people. I don't get contact. You want to tell me, say, you want to follow me, digger. We go digger. Me, we buy tickets for me. I go to do talk back for Nigeria. I better not see my video. We go viral. I dare ring go set up go to squad. We do.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, area does scatter. Ebony brother, whether they call Miracle or Basui, she don't come in, don't come out. He don't come out, say, this thing whether they do his sister, say, if not because of this one, he go enter Saga now. He say, he want enter. They don't feel the rubbish his sister every time. He say, he mama, they rubbish his mama for social media. He say, this Saga, he go because of Ebony enter Saga now. My people, oh, this one can shocktalize me. Say, I wait till they play. Wait till they apple bros. My people, not be smart you. I go put the video more na see now. This one pass Joromi. He say me a Aproko cut the video. He say make una share the video. He say this Saga we want come out so and go bust everywhere. He not fit bear this one again. He say he want come fight for his sister now. My people. He talk so many things we can shocktalize me. Mona listen, my darling people. Mona watch this video with me. Thank you, and please help me to share the video and put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.
Stand. People are saying all rubbish about that innocent girl that have tried for herself. And that they say, make her not talk put. Where they born their papa has put, where they build their papa has put. I want to say something very important. I'm gonna share this video, make people hear her. And even if I through this video, share it. Enough is enough. My sister is telling me, bros, I'm okay. Don't worry. If person want make come for life, temptation is bound to come. Don't say anything. I will say something. Because many of those people will come out conspired about her on video. Many of them in this country with me are there here. So I know them, Richards. I know many things about them. People don't even bring proof. They don't bring proof for me. I go they mention names of people. They feel saying that they be angel. They feel saying that they not get bad side. Now I don't come outside. If not because of these people, me want to enter Saga for Facebook. I go enter. We go digger. Now me be miracle Obasui. I don't pay my dues. I am too real to be fake in my life. I am too real to be fake. I know they use fake accounts. There was a time my sister even called me, say, bros, if you are commenting on people's account, stop using your real account because of my personality, because of who I am in the society. I said, sister, I know Sabi use fake account. If I'm dealing with you, I deal with you. If na Europe, I go crush you. I go use car jam you in an accident. If the Nigerian, and then would they talk with the happen, now there, right now, I no way. Even when I never come abroad, my ruggedity, I just tell they do things, I go deliver. I much more say, I don't make small money. I don't know people. I don't get contact. You want to tell me, say, you want to follow me, digger. We go digger. Me, we buy tickets for me, I go to do talk back for Nigeria. I better not see my video, we go viral. I dare ring go set up go to squad. We do election. I much more say, go call my sister matter. I not go fit talk. I don't silent on my phone. Nobody should call me. My family said I should not involve myself in this. I will involve myself because the conspiracy and the hatred is too much. It's too much. When I go to Nigeria for the first visit, when I reached my sister's house, I saw a lot of people. I said, my sister, this thing what you do so, problem you know. He said, bros, now leave them. Leave them. Everybody wants to make it. Let me be helping them. Even some come with their children. Nobody talk all those ones. When I come Europe, I have been in Italy now for 15 years. I call my sister and say, Ebony, come abroad. May we be two for abroad to help our family. She tell me, say, bros, I know if you come abroad. I not get that body to come do all those things. I know if I'm serious in life, I know if I work towards my career, my work, my job will carry me go abroad. Today, my sister is flying abroad up and down. Now I want to kill her for. What did Ebony do? Some people, they say, make she go beg. If you listen to the judgment of the president of Air, he said make 4 of them go beg. Ebony is under suspension. People, they say, Ebony go and beg. Ebony go and beg. Ebony for go beg. If they tell her, say, all of una go beg. So people should get it right. Not say make Ebony. If Ebony do something wrong, me as her elder brother, I will buy tickets. I go buy tickets. I go and beg. A tree cannot make a forest. I will go and beg. I will tell them, say, I beg. My sister don't do wrong. Waregui. Thank God I have a good job. I have a good document. I can stay in Nigeria for 5 years. I don't have problem. God don't do that one. What he pay me pass? My mother will suffer. Train all of us. They bring her issue come social media. Then they insult her. Now don't even make me come out for una. Many of una when they insult my mother, una mama no fit stay for una papa house. It's a fact. My mama not come Italy. My mother was in her late 40s when my father died. In her late 40s. Please share my video. Share my video. Invite your friends. She never got married to any man. Till today, my mother is still at home. She's very beautiful and young. Check my sister Facebook. Check my Facebook. You'll see my mother. She tell us, say, you know, they find husband. Our prayer is for you people to grow as our children. I will tell her, say, mommy, you are too young. Go find man will be your age mate. What I'll fix the reason future together. She said no. Now that kind of woman, who now come out from Facebook and you are saying I should not say a word. Why? What's all this? And all these social media presenters are proclaim, make una blog this, make una carry this blog, make una share them, give everybody. Anybody, I took my time to watch what people are doing on Facebook. If people they call inside the video, anybody want to speak for Ebony, now they insult them. What did Ebony do? What did Ebony do? Give me one person where Ebony insult. She's my younger sister from the same parent. She's my daughter. I will personally buy ticket to go and apologize. That young girl don't build a career. Then una want spoiler for her. Ebony fans all over the world make una no reason anything. According to the president of Enya, he said he suspended my sister. Suspension is not an issue. They did not ban her from the movie industry. Maybe you don't understand. Suspension is of 2 types. Either temporarily or it will be indefinite. But the man said till further notice. So let us keep our hands crossed. Let us watch what is going to happen. You know, all those girls, they were once friends. Tomorrow they will still settle and come back as friends. They say, my man and witch, my man and witch. My mother is somebody that doesn't do anything. I know my sister will be angry that I'm making a video, but I cannot take it anymore. All those ones so that they say, that na so, mama do this, mama not do that one, Ebony not get house. Do you think somebody like Ebony from her profile say she not get better thing what she they do with the family, where they look at what she they spray 100,000, 200,000 for party? People are watching the way Ebony they do, follow people for that Benin. Why? When I just conspire, when I come outside and I insult her. Ebony is one person, she's a loud person, yes. It's in our blood, in our family. With this, we like all this, hey, now we there here. Is it wrong for somebody to be happy? Is it wrong for person to show, say, now we there here? If not that one I want kill her for, make una tell me. I know my sister cannot be 100% right. I'm not taking side for her. No. She must have offended one or two persons. I don't know. But at least, make all of us not just take stone to kill one person. I said, make a carry Ebony come Italy. She said no. He said, bros, my work will take me to wherever I want to be. So what you they talk? Now, let us be sincere. Among people who bring a matter come out on media, check profile. The results are there. Ebony is on top among the young girls of now, not before, not with women. Forget she's my sister. I dey watch them. I know they use fake account. And I cannot fight anybody. You know? So why all this hate? Why all this problem up and down? You people should stop insulting the area president or the members of the association. There are people under this matter where they happen so. Una don't know what thing they happen. If now waiting happen for the association, now make them they fight my younger sister Ebony. Why they can't they say now so he carry juju for Toto? Now so he mama na wish. Now so they carry people husband. Is that the industry issue? Let us be sincere. Forget she's my sister. Let us look at something in another way round. Let's look at something another way round. If it's the industry issue, why the hate? What to bring the mama? What to bring the brother? What to bring his sister? What to bring Ojuju? What to bring people husband come inside the matter? If not industry matter. Ebony is an independent girl. Only 15 years. If Ebony was bad, the way una they make her to be, people from the world. When Ebony did her 15 years live on stage, you see, say Benin, Edo State was shut down. If that girl was as bad as you people are painting her, nobody will attend that event. Ebony go do birthday. He go groove past person marriage. He go full past marriage. If that girl was bad to everybody, why should they get people that are supporting her? Let's be sincere. She's my sister, yes. But no, they look something. And they want some people platform. They go gather people, maybe they make call. Today they insult Ebony. If anybody want to speak truth about Ebony, they insult the presenter. Why some presenter will be the fans of those people? They join them, they put fire to get viewers. Can you imagine that Ebony have given a lot of people work this new year? When you write a name on your platform, people want to come and view. People want to come and see because she has all what it takes. In the Benin industry, Ebony is one of the person where they bring Nollywood actor and actresses. She will pay them. They will make movie for her. Go to YouTube and watch. They are out there. Those are jealousy. It's the truth. Forget she's my sister, but when somebody is doing well, people will want to bring you down. Ebony is from a responsible home. She's from a responsible family. Our late father, late Captain Attorney Ekawanyagbo Basuyi brought us up in a way that we have the fear of God. We have a heart of God. There was an occasion I attended 3 or 4 years ago when I go to Nigeria. When our EA do live on stage. Ebony was the chief organizer of that event. Me and my friends and my younger brother is on YouTube. Go and check it. The money I spent in that occasion was close to 300,000 naira. It's on YouTube. But for security reasons, I don't want to mention people's name. But if he reach time, we'll bring people out, will they mention their name. So all those people that are killing Ebony, una matter don't come our table. With proof, with evidence. It's there our hand. But we are quiet because we are waiting. If we blow the matter come outside, everywhere goes spoil. We have been quiet because we are gathering information. My sister may be angry about what I'm doing, but I don't give a fuck about you, Ebony, because you are my sister. I will stand for you with my last blood. I will fight for you with my last blood, because you cannot say because people they talk, bros, don't say anything. Don't say anything. Why won't I say something? People are rubbishing my mother, my innocent mother. You are telling me not to say something? I will say something. Aproko. Anyway, from when they do blogger, I beg. Muna blog this, my video. I took my time to come outside. I've been trying to reach the Kenyan president to ask him about this judgment. Are you judging based on the video Ebony did, or there is something? Because what Ebony did, I took my time. I watched the video by myself. I want to see the error that she made. If my sister do any error, it's my duty as my own daughter. I will call her. I will call my mother. I will call my brother and say, "Hey, oh, Mona put her to her shoe. What did she do, for God's sake? What has she done? What has she done? Bring one person where Ebony insult. We'll go and beg. I will buy tickets. If I can buy tickets from here to Nigeria to go do election for Obaseki, we don't know me before. Why can't I go for my sister? I will go there. But I've not seen anything she said wrong. If you want to judge this matter, go to Ebony's platform. Go and watch that video. This judgment was not made based on that video. There are a lot of people under it, and we don't get all of the information. From the music industry to the movie industry, people will not like Ebony. We have everything about them, but we are holding it as our backup. The time we will come out on video, I go, because of people start live video, Saga. I go Saga you for face to face. I'll go Saga you for Nigeria. I paid my dues. I'm too rugged and tested for nonsense. I don't give a fuck about anybody. If I did push shirt for Benin after 15 years for abroad, I push shirt, they do talk bell. I put never see the video. Not me. Let me bring it out. Make una see. I know they shele, I know they fear. You know, go to my wall. My mother they cry for her and say, "Oh, man, you wake up for abroad." Say they behave like Agbero. I tell her, say, "Mommy, I'm not be Agbero." Sometimes in life, you give people what they want in their own way. I'm a peaceful man. I say police, they find me. I heard one person, I don't want to insult anybody. They make video, they say police, they find me. Police find me. Look at my identity card. I work with healthcare organization in Italy. I'm in the hospital right now. I just closed with an official car. Yes, they say you not get work. Ebony brother na jobless man. Let me come down from the car and show you the company where I work. I'm in the hospital. I just closed now. See if I reach us now, my temper will come down. This is my ID card. You are seeing my ID card. This is my official car. This is my official car. You are seeing it. And I'm in the hospital right now. I just finished working. I work with Health Center. We are not out in my family. Look at the hospital where I work. You see the hospital? You see the hospital where I work? So we are not out in my family. We are well brought up. We are not out. So my people will say they want to kill my sister. We get una name for list. If anything happen to Ebony in that Benin, una will know say thank God say this whole thing happen like this. I wish she lose guard for una just now. If you go point that innocent girl, una will kill her through it. Una will kill her because the hatred is just too obvious. Mama not come Italy, mama stay with my papa. Mama not go for 2 months. You where they call everybody, mama come out for social media. Why your man come out for your past? Why you come Italy? We come to talk. We have evidence, but we are not going to make saga. I'm waiting till that day. We'll buy ticket. We'll come down for Benin. Even when I was in Nigeria, whenever I would do anything, whenever I would get 1 naira, my ruggedity and my intelligence, they carry me waka. I must want now be say God don't do everything don't do. Now Jeep I they drive for this country. Jeep. This is my official car from my company. People will know me. I know they make mouth. Now Jeep I they drive is at home. If I park this one, if I want to go out on my normal enjoyment, I'll drive, carry my key, I'll come outside. They say now 2000 and enemy Jeep I they drive. If it is easy, may you buy it. We have our evidence. We have our proofs. Ebony has not done anything wrong. If Ebony do anything wrong, I personally, Miracle, I will follow her to go and beg. I've been trying to reach 1 or 2 persons. Why be say if they want call, una will be presenters. If they want call for Ebony matter, una go de, cost them because people have conspired. Ebony is the only Benin girl that went for African Diva Award. It's out there. Out of about 36 countries, Senegal, South Africa, Ghana, Cameroon. Ebony won that award. She brought it to Edo State, organized by Chika Ike. It's on YouTube. Go and watch it. The reason why people want to kill her because she have name. Please share my video. Share this video. Just be sharing, please. I must speak for my sister, no matter what. If one of una, when they talk any year, Mona still can't speak for una sister. People should want to speak for your sister. Ebony is my blood, and I would die protecting her. And I don't know if he die because all of una not rich. Una not even rich. Una not rich for day, una not rich for night. What is the worry una? Because when you keep una quiet, if you say Ebony not get person, Ebony not get brother, and maybe Ebony brother and my junior sister, I paid her school fees at Abraka. She's school, she's well read. What is the worry una? Una will come outside and they pay people to go to court to insult Ebony. Now they say Ebony they carry people husband. Ebony carry people husband. Abi, you will come up for abroad. You they watch actress on media. You they look at big nyash. You they find a contact. You reach Nigeria, and they will tell all those guests. Even you not tell her say you don't marry. Maybe you defriend her, for example. I don't know. I'm not there. Later now, the thing is can't sweet you. You can't spend money. You can't come out on media. They say they shop your money. You they crazy. Who send you message? Me where there, not many guests don't shop my money. You know how many school fees I don't pay from abroad to Nigeria. Only Facebook I know the gay. I go there. If I'm picking one pay school fees, you go show me breast. I go send money. Who never for Mugu? People just conspire a story against that innocent girl. Wanna kill her. Anyway, I'm not surprised. When you are doing well, people will always want to bring you down. They must look for an excuse to bring you down. A ripe fruit attracts stones. That's what I see. Many of them, they don't even know them. Ebony don't make una get viewers. Some of all those people, they say, hey, Mona, could they talk about Mona, take monetize on our page? And they watch their comments. They'll say, never play audio. You don't take monetize your page. You want to use Ebony to get fame. You want to use Ebony to get money. You want to use another person to get money. If you want to get money, is it by bringing other people's down? No. And a clean work they do for abroad. See as I find with jeans. I know they do dirty work. Now God do it. They say Ebony is too proud. Who they? Now who they want kill her for?